Hello friend, it's the Chef Shaikh here again. Today I'm gonna show you a recipe, a very easy recipe, and everyone can make it. It's called spaghetti, tuna and prawns with herbs. Making some spaghetti with mixed herb, tuna and prawns. It will be easy and it will be very delicious. Alright friend, let's start. Okay, we're gonna put some spaghetti first in water. I'm gonna put some salt in there and some oil. Alright friend, while spaghetti getting ready, we will prepare this sauce which is gonna go in spaghetti. Okay, so first I'm using mince. There's some parsley here. There's some garlic, about 5. There's some chili, about 4 chili, and we're using coriander. Coriander in. Okay. Some salt in there. And some olive oil. I'm just gonna cook this sauce. Yeah, sauce is ready. So what I need to put my tuna. You just need to mix this with that. Okay, I'm gonna put this pan. I'm gonna put some butter in there. Just a little butter. I'm just gonna fry a little bit my prawns. Okay, this prawns going in there. Okay, I'm gonna swap this pan. This is it ready. I just need to fry my prawns. Okay guys, our prawns is ready. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get ready. That's it. Now we're gonna put this prawns going in there. Okay guys, so it looks like our spaghetti is ready as well. When you take the spaghetti out, make sure you don't drain the water. Some waters will go in there, so you get a bit flavor for spaghetti as well. It. Okay, now we have to just mix it, all sauce. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it 5 minutes to cook with the sauce and spaghetti both together. By the time it's cooking, I'm just gonna cut some coriander. I'm gonna cut this coriander very thin. Just garnish my spaghetti. Okay, it's ready. So I'm gonna put some coriander in there, some spring onion, this should be ready. It's beautiful. Look at this guy. Okay, now we're gonna take it on a plate. Yeah, so let's see. This dish, very quick one, is spaghetti, tuna and prawns with the mixed herb. Very delicious. Friend, if you like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button and give me your feedback, please. Every Sunday you will get a new video with a new recipe. Please don't forget to watch it. Thank you.